In this training video, we'll be going over your antimicrobial form. So as you can see, we're already in the Projects tab. This is a project that we're working on right now for this owner right here, John Bushnell. You click on your antimicrobial button and then this form pulls up under Projects. Okay, so Projects and then antimicrobial. So pretty basic. If the homeowner, or business owner for that matter, clicks on accept, then they're going to accept you using antimicrobial chemicals within their project. Or of course, if they were to decline, then they're not going to use it and let you do it. But in this case, we'll say they accepted it. And all your legal verbiage is right here that you already programmed from before. You do have a note box that you can type in some notes if you need to do that as well. And you would click on for the owner to sign, okay, right there, and they would sign. And click on OK. Their signature has been captured. This date just automatically populated for you. And now it's your turn to sign for the company signature. Do that as well. Click OK. And this date populates as well. So now you have both signatures. Very, very important for the antimicrobial form. And as always, your logo will show up automatically. All these forms, the logos and your company information comes up automatically. So that's how you work the antimicrobial form. Super simple. To your success, and thank you for watching.